Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. As you can see, what exactly the calciferol and vitamin D. So I already discussed up to vitamin C. Please go through my playlist. You will find all of them. Let us see what has been given in the slides regarding vitamin D. Here, the vitamin C from vitamin D from where you get, that is, it's also known as sunshine vitamin. You should know from where you get the free of cost, that is vitamin D. So we'll get from the sunshine. And from where exactly the edible things, that is egg yolk, liver oil, fish skin also produces. So here you should know from where the vitamin D exists, as you can see to the right. So how you have to intake and what exactly it helps in your human body. It helps the body. What exactly the functions of the vitamin D is, it helps the body absorb and utilize calcium and phosphorus so as to maintain bones, teeth and brain healthy. So it also helps in our growth of teeth and the brain healthy, and it also maintains the calcium and phosphorus level in our bones, and it maintains normal calcium level in the blood. So we knew that there is a small amount of calcium level in our blood, so it maintains in that, stabilizing the calcium level in our blood. I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find about 800 plus question papers for the various examination. What exactly the function of the vitamin D is? So it helps the body and absorb, utilize, as I had told. So it also maintains the normal calcium level in our body. So you can see where the exact source of vitamin D: fish, egg yolk, meat and fortified beverages, cereals and milk, from where you get. And what is the deficiency of vitamin D? If you don't take proper consumption of vitamin D, then you will have the rickets, that is, you will have the problem of bow legs or knock knees. So that rickets will be the one of the main disease you will get with the deficiency of vitamin D. So in adults you will have the osteomalacia and osteoporosis. So these are the few diseases you may be having in your body structure. So as you can see from where the vitamin D exactly be absorbed by your body and how exactly it will be useful. I request you go through my playlist and request you to call me on 7667302252 or message me for the 2100 PDF of GK and GS. What exactly the excess of calciferol? I told you too much is too bad. If you take maximum amount of vitamin D, that is calciferol, then you will have the problem of calcified cartilage, and high calcium level in the blood causes abnormal heartbeat and damage to organs such as kidneys, and you will have the vomiting and diarrhea and sore eyes and itchy skin. So these are the few problems if you consume maximum vitamin D. So please go through whatever the figure has been given, so you will have the various thoughts and you can remember very easily. And I hope all these slides will help you a lot. I request you people to share it to your friends. If there is anything you want to suggest, you can message me on my comment section. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life and share it to your friends also.